Okay. Hello, guys. How are you? Happy Sunday to you guys from wherever you are streaming this from. Thank you very much for having me here. Yeah, hi. My name is Olua PC, and this is a new YouTube stream. So please do share, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you very much. So right now, I'm about to analyze Euro USD. This is top-down analysis from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. So I'll be analyzing this to 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I take 1 hour time frame and 15 minutes as my lower time frame, 4 hours daily and monthly as my higher time frame. Okay, so right now let me just do a little bit illustration for you guys to understand what I'm trying to do. Okay, on how to identify a trend is by saying consecutive highs and lows. Okay, so let me say something like this. On a higher time frame, you are saying a high, a low, a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low, and a higher high. This is called an uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend. Why I say this is an uptrend? Because it keeps breaking the previous highs. Okay, if you can see, keep breaking the previous high, keep breaking the previous high, keep breaking the previous high. That is why it's called an uptrend. Why the lows are still intact. Okay, no matter the retracement, they never breaks each other's lows. Okay, they keep respecting the lows, keep respecting the lows, keep respecting the lows. This is called an uptrend market. Okay, why a downtrend market, you will see something like this. Okay, see something like this. You see a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a higher low, a lower high, a lower low, a higher low. This is called a higher low because the previous, this high is higher than this. Okay, so this a lower low, and this is a lower high and a lower low. Why is it that way? You see, this low got broken. This low got broken. This low got broken. Okay, and this low as well, and this low as well got broken. Okay, notice something. This high here. Okay, this high did not break this high, and this high did not break this high, and this high did not break this high. They keep respecting each other. Okay, keep respecting no matter how pullback they did, they never break the previous high. They never break the previous high. Rather, they keep breaking the previous low. That's how you know you are on an uptrend. Okay, this is a downtrend. Why? Because this high, this low is higher than this. Okay, because you could notice that this is a higher high, this is a higher low, and this is a lower low. Okay, this one, this low is higher than this, and this low is higher than this, and this low is higher than this. So you could see it keep breaking the previous lows. That's why we say this is a downtrend. So it's vice versa. Okay, in an uptrend, it keep breaking the high, while on a downtrend, it keep breaking the low. So that is how you know it's an uptrend and a downtrend. Okay, I hope you guys got this. So right now, I believe you guys already understand what I'm trying to do. So if on an uptrend, let's say this just a monthly time frame, this a high and this is a low, this is a higher high and this is a lower low, and this is a higher high. Okay. Okay. This high is higher than this. Okay, and this high is higher than this. I hope you guys are following. If you can see this is a low. Okay. This low is lower than this. Okay. So on and so forth. It's same thing, the downtrend. So let's say this a monthly time frame, or yeah, let's just leave it as a monthly time frame. Okay, and now you are seeing something like, let's just use this boss. Okay, let's just use this one, because now this high, I've already broken this, so they retrace back before heading down. Before anything like this can happen, it will happen on a lower time frame. So let's say this our month, a week, 1 hour time frame. You see this high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, lower low, low, high, low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a higher high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low. Let me just fast forward it. High, a low, high, a low, high, low. This is what you see in every time frame you go. Okay, every time frame you go, whether it's 15 minutes, 1 hour, daily time frame, there is a trend in a trend. Okay, this is how it happens. Let's leave it this way. Okay, let me just put this right now. Red. Okay, right now this black is our monthly time frame. Okay, this is our monthly time frame. Why the red is our 1 hour time frame. Let's just keep it that way. Okay, so on this bullish run, in the lower time frame, you keep saying the highs keep breaking until it gets here. Then this is called a change of character. This is a change of character. Why did I say that? Let me label it for you guys to understand what I'm saying. Change of character. This is a change of character. Why did I say that? Because this low gave rise to this high and came back and broke this low. Okay, so why it breaks this low? Because the trend is about to pull back. Okay, for you to see another higher high, it must first of all retrace back, probably like a 50% Fibonacci retracement or 75, or it depends on how deeply the retracement is going to pull into. Okay, so once on a lower time frame, once you see, let me say on a higher time frame, or on a trend, you keep saying a higher high, immediately you see a change of character. That means the trend is about to pull back. So once it starts pulling back, you will start seeing the lows keep breaking. So once it pull back to this place and head back and come back and break this low, you call this an IBOS. Okay, a confirmation that the trend have started pulling back. Let me label it for you guys to understand as well what I'm saying. An IBOS. Okay, why I put this an IBOS? Because it is a little time frame. Okay, a smaller time frame. Don't forget this our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we keep pulling back, keep breaking the lows until you see another change of character. Once you see something like this again happened, the change of character happen again on a lower time frame. Okay, so now now you have to understand the retracement is over. Okay, now it's aligning with the higher time frame to come back and break this high. Okay, so once it happens, you wait for an eyeballs to confirm that, yeah, have aligned with the higher time frame. So once you see something like this, that means we are coming back to break this high. So once it's been broken, the label is at eyeballs. That is a break of structure. So why is it a break of structure? Because it have come to break the previous high to give us another new high. Okay, don't forget that, guys. Before you can see a new high, the previous high must be broken. So once it is broken, then that moment you start anticipating that there will be another pullback. It might take days, might take weeks, but definitely the trend must pull back. Because why? It can never trend on a one way. It will definitely pull back to put in to at least 50% or 70% of the retracement before putting a new higher high. So you could see the same thing happen here as well. Let's just label it. This is a change of character here. It happens over here as well. It keeps occurring, okay? It keeps happening and happening and happening for you to know this is an eyeball as well. Please don't mind my drawings, okay? So this happened here again. A change of character happened here as well. And an eyeballs happen here as well. Okay. Just bear with me with the drawing, okay? I know it's not that fancy enough, but I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So you could see this pulled back close to the last low, but did not break it, but rather did change of character and went back to break this high, to put this a break of structure, a boss. So this is what you'll be saying in every market you see. Any chart you pull out, you have to identify what trend is it, if it's an uptrend and a downtrend. Once you are able to know that this is an uptrend, this is what you'll be saying. Okay, the previous high will keep breaking, while the previous low will be intact, will be protected. So this is how I normally take my trade. So let me just give a little bit illustration as well for you to understand what I'm trying to say. So let's say, for instance, let's say, for instance, this is what we are seeing in the market. So anytime you see something like this occur on an uptrend, after the pullback, the next thing you start looking for is a change of character on a lower time frame. Once this change of character happens, you wait patiently. We have two types of people that trade markets. Okay, there are aggressive ones and there are conservative. The people that wait for the second confirmation before they jump into market. Okay, and let me just show you. This is I normally use my Fibonacci as well. I'm a trend trader. Okay, a structural trader. Okay, and what I look out for is a change of character, an order block, fair value gap. Okay, then and my Fibonacci retracement. Let's say I'm trading on a higher time frame. Okay, after the change of character have happened, probably after this break, and I see this change of character, what I do my Fibonacci from the lowest to the highest high it has printed. Okay, let's say, for instance, this has not happened yet. Let's just push it this way. Let's say this have not happened. We have not seen this leg. Okay, we have not seen this leg. Okay, let me just put it this way. Let's say we have not seen this leg. Okay, this has not happened. Once I see this change of character and it's in my Fibonacci retracement, I will take my trade. I will take my trade to the next high. Okay. So once the change of character occur, the next thing I'll be anticipating that is going to happen is this high will be taken out. So this is going to be like how I trade. Okay, this is just a little illustration. Okay, but let's jump down to the lower time frame. I have two patterns of the two ways of trading. Let's say I'm taking my trade from a lower time frame. Okay, I just did illustration on a higher time frame. Let's say I'm taking my trade on a lower time frame. Once I see this change of character and this eyeballs occur, I will draw my Fibonacci from this low now. Okay, this is the new low on the lower time frame. Let's say on a 1 hour time frame, and this is the new high that I printed. Okay, then I will draw my Fibonacci to the future and wait for this retracement to come into my Fibonacci before taking the trade. If it gets to my 50% Fibonacci, I will not take the trade. Why? Because it's going to be one-to-one risk reward, and I don't like that. I want my trade to be a 2 or 3 RR. Okay, I know you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so right now, if this retracement come deeper into my Fibonacci retracement, then I will take my trade from here. Why? Because I'm already confident that it's coming to break this high. So I'll be taking my trade will be a little bit confirmed. It's already confirmed. Why? Because this change of character have happened on the lower time frame. Eyeballs have happened for a confirmation. So right now, I'm going to be taking this trade. Why? So I can take this trade from here to this moment, but I don't want to do that. I want to be taking my trade because if I'm trading on a daily time, let me say I'm trading in that trading, like let's say for instance, I'm not a swing trader, okay? I'm a day trader. So I don't want to keep my TP up to this moment because nobody knows what the market is going to do, okay? We all are just trading, assuming what the market is going to do, okay? After our analysis, we wait for the market to react, okay? So me putting here, I know this trade is coming to break this high, but it's going to take this because let's say I'm not a swing trader. So I just have to, take my TP on the recent high. And what is the recent high? This is the recent high. This is the recent high the market have given to me. Okay, this is the recent high the market have given to me. Why? Because this high broke this and retraced back to my Fibonacci retracement to give me another higher high. So I will take my trade from here. I hope you guys are following. Okay, that is aside. Right now, I'm not teaching you on how to take trade. Okay, we'll come to that in other lessons. So right now, I'm just showing you on how analysis. Okay, right now I'm not teaching you how or show you how I take the trade, but on how I do my analysis to know my bias of the week or of the month. So right now, this is how I do it. The black, this is my monthly time frame, a higher time frame, and the red is my lower time frame, 15 minutes or 1 hour. So now let's go into the chart. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, good. So right now, this is monthly time frame. Let's just mark it up. Okay, let's just mark that and know where the overall trend, okay? Like how I just taught you guys. This is the low. I will label this now as the monthly low. Hope you guys are following. And this is our previous high that was broken. This a boss. I hope you guys remember what I just showed you. And this is our new low, okay? And this is our previous high that was broken. I boss in a lower time frame, but this is a higher time frame. This is a boss, a block of structure. So right now, this is our new high. This is the highest high the market have gone on a daily time frame. On a month, you can see monthly as well. Monthly time frame, okay? Don't mind me as well. This I'm new as well to on YouTube. So just bear with me, guys. So right now, this is a low. This is our recent low, monthly low, and this our recent monthly high. So anything we are doing right now in this chart is between this low and this high. Why? The previous high and lows have been broken. Okay, this high has been broken, this high has been broken, and this is a new high. And this called an uptrend, just like what I just said a few minutes back. This an uptrend. Why? Because it keep breaking the highs but not the lows. Okay, right now we know that we are on an uptrend on the monthly time frame. So let's drop down to a weekly time frame. On our weekly time frame, you see this is our recent low on the weekly time frame, and this is our recent high on what? Weekly time frame. Hope you guys are following. We are breaking it down from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. So I will label this as my weekly low, and this my weekly high. I hope you guys are following. Okay, so anything we're going to do right now from the weekly, from this high to this low. Okay, sorry about that. Let me just put it at this, because why? I said I will more than a minute. Let me just, so for you guys to understand what I'm trying to do right now. I don't want you guys to get confused. Okay, I don't want you guys to get confused. Just be patient with me. Okay, you see on the weekly time frame, we keep breaking the lows, not the highs. Okay, don't forget we are trading from this low to this high, and overall trend on a multi-time frame is an uptrend. Okay, but on a weekly time frame right now, you can see we are in downtrend. Okay, we are on a downtrend on a weekly time frame. Okay, do not forget what I taught you earlier on, that before a higher time, one thing that happened on a higher time frame, first of all, have already occurred on a lower time frame. So anything that we see on a higher time frame have already happened on a lower time frame. So lower time frame, we align with the higher time frame. Okay, before the change of character happens or the structure is being broken, it will happen on a lower time frame before manifesting on a higher time frame. So let's just mark out this. Why this an eyeballs, because it's on a lower time frame. Okay, do not forget that. Okay, so all these are highs that have not been broken. Okay, where they will start when it start getting broken is when the weekly, when the 1 hour, the 15 minutes, 1 hour, and the daily and the weekly have aligned with the 1 hour, with the monthly time frame. Then you start seeing the previous high will start getting broken. Why? Because monthly is on a higher time, is our higher time frame, and it's on an uptrend. Why right now on the weekly time frame we are on a downtrend? Okay, so we are trading from this weekly high and this weekly low. Do not forget that. Okay. Okay. Let me just put in the box for you to understand. For you not to be get carried away. Don't get carried away. Okay. So our current trend right now is on a down. Is on a weekly is on a downtrend. So right now let's move down to our daily time frame. Let's see what the daily time frame is telling us. Okay. You can see the daily time frame is uptrend. It's coming up to break this. Once this previous high, that is the weekly high, has been broken, that means the 15 minutes, let's just put it, the 1 minute, the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 1 hour, and the 4 hours has aligned with the weekly, and the weekly have aligned with the monthly. Right now, what we are seeing right now is an uptrend on a daily time frame. Okay, hope you guys are following. So let me mark out our daily time frame. This is our recent high. Don't get carried away. There is so many structures. Okay, in each time frame there are other structures. Okay, so this is our recent low. Okay, our daily low. Okay, just bear with me. Our daily low and our daily high. Hope you guys are getting what I'm doing right now. Okay, so right now we'll drop down to 4 hours to know what is happening. Do not forget the site. Here we are trading from this high and this low now. Okay, the lower time frame you go, the lower you see the structures. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hours. Now the 4 hour time frame is what? Is bullish. It's bullish right now. So let me remove this box for you guys to see everything clearly. Okay, just hold on. Just want you guys to follow me patiently. This is how I normally do my analysis to know my bias of the week. So right now, excuse me. So right now, the 4 hours is still aligning with daily. Do not forget that. Okay, let's mark out our highs and lows. Okay, the 4 hour, the previous 4 hour high has been broken. And the previous 4 hour low is being protected. I hope you guys are following me. Okay. Now it has been broken, and this is our new high, but it has been broken as well. But it's a week it's a week. So we're gonna call this a liquidity. Don't worry, on the future videos, I'm going to teach you all this, okay? But for this lesson, it's just top-down analysis from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. So right now, I will drop down to my 1 hour. Do not forget, the weekly is on a downtrend, the monthly is an uptrend. Now, daily is an uptrend, 4 hours is uptrend. So let's see what 1 hour is saying. Okay, you see what I told you earlier on? It was a week. So right now, we are in our 1 hour time frame. Okay. This is our recent high on 1 hour. And this is our recent low. You guys are following? Okay. Now our 1 hour is still on an uptrend. Why? If you could see, it's breaking highs. Okay, do not forget that this is our recent swing. Okay, so you can see this is a high and this is a low. The lowest it went on 1 hour time frame. Okay, why this high has mitigated with the week. Do not forget that. Okay. So right now, okay. So this is where we have to pay attention. Okay. This way we have to pay our attention immediately to know what we will be expecting for the week. What we'll be expecting for the week. Okay. So right now, market is here. It's closed already. By tomorrow, Monday, market will open. Then we'll watch out how it's going to react with this within this week. In this week, if we have to see something like this trade comes in this direction and breaks this previous high. Okay, do not forget where we are. Okay, if this previous 4-hour high is being broken, then this is what we're going to be saying. Once it's been broken, after then if eventually it will retrace, then it's going to be downtrend for the week. Then until we get to our 4-hour swing low. Okay, probably once we get something like this up to this moment, then what you see is in a lower time frame, you see this boom. Okay, hope you're following. This is a theory scenario. We have to analyze and wait for the market to add before we react. Okay, we don't have to react and wait for the market. We don't have to add and wait for the market to react, but we have to wait for the market to add. Then we, the trader, will react to what the market is doing. So this is my point of view. Okay, and you should know that market does whatever he wants to do. Okay, so this is the view. This is my one scenario, and the second one is this. In this 1 hour, if this we definitely see something like this, if it refuses to break this high, but comes and start breaking these lows like this, okay, then that means we are going more deeper in the retracement. Okay, once in this new week, if this low is been taken out before this high, that means this trend will go deeper. Okay, we retrace deeper in this low. That means it will replace deeper, probably comes to break this low. Okay, it's a probability market. Okay, so if you get note, please take note what I'm saying right now. Okay, there's a two scenario. If this market comes and break this previous high, then this low will be protected. Okay, this low will be protected, but if this market did not break this high, but comes and break this recent low, okay, take note, comes to break this recent low, that means this high has been protected. Then definitely we are coming to take out this low. Okay, that means we are coming to take out this low. But if this high, cost of this high is being taken out before this low is being taken out, that means this low now will be protected and will be seeing something like this again. Sorry about that. We see something like this. Okay, so take note. So you have to be careful on what you're going to do this week. Okay, just wait. If you are a swing trader, you will have to wait to see these two scenarios occur. Either this high has been taken out or this low has been taken out. Okay, so if this high has been taken out, then we will retrace back to this place and start shooting up. But if that did not happen and this low is being taken out, then we will see something like this. There will be say something like this. Okay, we see something like this. Then okay, that means this low will be taken out. Please take note of what I'm saying right now. So what we are waiting for is for this scenario to happen. Either this low goes or this high goes. So in between, just have to fold our hands if you're a swing trader, okay? But if you are a day trader, you can still trade in between this high and this low, but be careful, okay? Be careful on what the market is going to do around this point. So this is what I'm saying, and this is how the top-down analysis. I took my analysis from the higher time frame down to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so right now we are waiting for this 1 hour to align with the 4 hour. Okay, the 4 hour is on the uptrend, and the daily is on the uptrend. So the weekly is on a downtrend. But once this high has been taken out, definitely the weekly will become an uptrend. Why? Let me show you. Let's drop down to the weekly time frame. So if the previous high I was saying is being taken out, you will see something like this. That means it has come to uptrend. That means the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly have aligned with the monthly. Okay, so what we are going to wait, or what we are trying to see, is for this to be taken out. Once this daily time frame is being taken out, that means it has aligned with the weekly time frame. Okay, do not forget, because this is how it is. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, this is the low, and this is the high. So once this high, now the daily high is being taken out, that means we are coming for this weekly high. Okay, on a long run, it's not going to happen today, it's going to happen 1 week or monthly from now, not even happen next year. Okay, but once this high has been taken out, definitely we are coming for this swing weekly high. But if this swing daily high has not been taken out, and we take out our 1 hour low, don't forget, we take out this low, that means we are coming for our 4 hour low. That means we're coming for our 4 hours low, because that means it's going to retrace in deeply. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I just said. This is just a top-down analysis and a little bit of a weekly. Let's just say weekly view on what is going to happen on this new week market. Okay, but if you are doing your top-down analysis, this is how you're going to do it. Okay. I hope you guys understand what I just did. And with time and the future video that will be coming out, I'll be teaching you on how to go more in depth in it, on what to look out for when you are trading, whether you are looking out for order block, Forever Lookup, or other conferences. Okay. I didn't tell you on how to take trade, but I just showed you on how to break down market. Okay. This is how you can break down your market to know where exactly the market is, to know where to take your trade from. So on the next video that will be coming out, I will teach you on how I take my trade. But this is just a top-down analysis to show you on how you can do your top-down analysis to know where you are, where your market is currently trading around. Okay, thank you guys. And I remain Oluwapizi. Please smash that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. And I hope you got value for what I just did right now. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.